Letitia James, the New York State Attorney General, made a huge mistake. Trump gets the win, and she's probably going to get disbarred. Let's get into it. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to ANN American News Network. I'm your host, Vlad. Before we get into the breaking reports, I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, and that is Midas Gold Group. They are a second-generation Christian family-owned gold, silver, and precious stone IRA company. They are the only IRA company in the United States that is backed by Sebastian Gorka himself. They are located out of Phoenix, Arizona, with clients in all 50 states, including Canada and worldwide. You can contact them either by website at midasgoldgroup.com or 480-360-3000. All the links are below in the description. Mention Vlad from American News Network. Get a huge discount and get a bunch of free silver. Let's get right into it. So number one, Trump's attorney, Alina Habba, has come out and she was on Newsmax earlier today celebrating. She said the mistakes in Letitia James' case against Donald Trump are wide and many, where even a far left judge, an Obama judge, had to dismiss over 80% of the case the very first day. And now they are confident they're going to get the whole thing thrown out and get Letitia, the Attorney General, disbarred. Also, I got some notes. Let's get right into them. Last week, the judge in the New York versus Donald Trump civil case, the judge ruled that Trump's business licenses must be revoked ASAP and that all his bank accounts need to be placed on hold, and Trump got a fine of over $250 million. Donald Trump appealed that ruling, and a New York Supreme judge ruled that the ruling earlier was unconstitutional and placed the hold on the original ruling, meaning you don't take away his business licenses, you don't freeze his money, and no, we freeze the fine. The case that Letitia James brought against Trump was that supposedly Trump, when applying for bank loans decades ago, lied about the price of Mar-a-Lago so that he can get better loans. And they called that fraud because he put Mar-a-Lago up as collateral. Now listen to this. Show me the crime. Show me if there's a crime. Show me the victim. They charged Donald Trump with civil fraud. But ask any Democrat that's running around spewing the story. Ask them, where's the victim? Because according to what was proven in the court of law, these loans were taken out decades ago, or at least 10 years ago. The banks gave him money. Trump paid everything back already a long time ago, paid back interest, and never missed a payment. Do you see how corrupt these people are? They want to take Trump's money, shut down Trump's businesses, leave tens of thousands of people that work for anything that has to do Trump, either his towers, his skyscrapers, his restaurants, his clothing stores, his golf resorts in New York. All these people are going to go unemployed because of them. And they're saying it was fraud because he lied about the price of Mar-a-Lago. Even let's pretend for a second that he did. But guess what? He paid all the money back with interest and never missed a payment. So the banks got their money back. They made money off the loan. There was no fraud committed. He took a loan, he paid it back. So now what's happening, because they were able to prove all this, because it's obvious, Letitia James, the R word, and is biased against Trump and only brought this case against him because she promised on her campaign trail to get Trump. Not the killers running around New York, not the gun crimes, not the dope dealers. I'm gonna get Trump. So here's what's happening. The New York State Law Bar is now investigating Letitia James for her bias and unwarranted case against Trump, and she's now at risk at being disbarred. So what do they want to do? They want to shut down Trump's businesses. They want to keep him locked in courtrooms so that he can't campaign. They want to dry out all of his funds so he can't put money in his campaign. They want to completely destroy him and his family. When the banks, even the bank that he got the loan from, sent a letter as a testimony on behalf of Trump saying he did nothing wrong. Even the bank is standing up for Trump. Ladies and gentlemen, it's heating up. I mean, the closer we get to the election, more stuff like this is going to be done. So we're going to be prayed up. We're going to be visual. I'm going to keep you updated. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that bell notification so you are notified every time I upload Trump 2024 or sooner.